Good evening, tutor and college. I'm going to explain Airbnb case for this activity. My name is Luis Alberto Torres. Today is June 30. We are on the phase 2 strategic diagnosis, and let's begin with the explanation. The case is Airbnb. Airbnb is a company that offers a website and a mobile application that allow travelers to search and book vacation home rentals and provide new travel experience. Which is the problem? The problem of Airbnb is that they doesn't have enough knowledge about the fundamental part of this business, the guest. The causes of this problem could be lack of market research, unqualified personnel, lack of users' feedback. The consequences are a reduction of the potential market, dissatisfied users, and organizational unmet objectives. So this is the explanation for this activity. Is a short speech. I hope you could understand everything I said. So I say thank you. So this is the end of the video.